Welcome back to my channel. I am Jojo Gurgel, lifestyle blogger and realtor in Florida, and today I want to talk to you about peanut butter fruit. You probably never heard of that fruit, or maybe you have heard of it before. This fruit right here is the peanut butter fruit. And this fruit is predominantly grown in Brazil and in the Andes in South America. But a lot of people are growing in Hawaii and here in Florida too. Most of them are people like myself, rare plant enthusiasts. And I want to tell you a little bit about the peanut butter tree and the peanut butter fruit. So I found out that the peanut butter fruit is very high in antioxidants. I'm not quite sure about the name. I think it's lipodine, something like that. But it's very, very high in antioxidants, 10 times more than tomatoes. They are also rich in folic acid and very, very low in calories and fat. So I want to show you exactly how they look like. So this is when they are ripe like this, and the reason why you don't see these in the supermarket is because the shelf life is very, very little. For example, right now it's ready, and if we don't eat right now, it's going to go bad pretty quickly. This one is not ready yet. You see, it's not as red and it's not soft. When it's soft, then it's ready. This is hard. So then a couple of other ones right here. You see, this one is also ready. It's soft and it's pretty red, and these ones aren't. So you get tons of fruits. You can see all of the little red fruits are the ones that are ready for us to eat. They're very, very perishable, you guys. You see over there? All three of those are ready to be eaten. And we can't just leave them there because they will rotten. But they are very, very good fruit trees for you to have it in your backyard. They love the sun. They really love the sun. So if you live in places like Florida, for example, that are very, very tropical, then this tree will do very, very well for you. And I even heard people saying that one of these each day will definitely change your health. And I truly believe that. I know that this plant is grown in Brazil, and the number 2 disease for man in Brazil is prostate cancer. And this plant has been using to treat prostate cancer and possibly cure prostate cancer because of its properties. So I also heard it has a lot of folic acid, but then again, this is such a rare plant. A lot of people don't grow it here in the United States and other parts of the country, except for like Australia, that there aren't that many studies on this fruit. But it's an amazing fruit. I love the taste. I want to show you guys exactly how it looks, because you can eat the whole fruit, but inside there are seeds. So you don't want to eat the seeds, okay? So I'm gonna take it out and show you guys exactly how it looks. So you see, there are seeds inside, and this red stuff is the pulp. Two seeds. You see all of the red stuff? This is the pulp. It's so good, you guys. And what I do is I just plant them again around my garden. I usually find a spot with a lot of sun and I planted in my garden. They sprout pretty quickly, and I found this out after I planted the seeds from one of the first fruits that we had from this plant. And we got trees from both seeds that I planted. Let me show you. Cool. You know, that means that pretty soon we are going to have more fruits. Now I want to show you exactly how it looks inside without eating it. So I'm gonna get another one. So you see how the skin is? Oh, it's so squishy, right? So I want to show you how it looks on the inside. So here's the peanut butter fruit, and I'm just peeling the skin, but you can eat the skin too. Sometimes the skin contains the most nutritious values in some fruits and vegetables. I would. So, but you see, it's like a little jelly. It tastes really good. So that's how it is on the inside, and as you can see over here, that's the, well, I got a seed here. That's the seed. Okay? And it tastes so good. So you can save this part and freeze it, and make smoothies and jams and jelly with it. I like to eat it just like this, fresh. And yeah, I love this tree, and I recommend to anyone that lives in that area, like Florida, Hawaii, any tropical place. And they are super, super easy to cultivate. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of those peanut butter fruit that are ready and take it over to my mom's house, you know, because that's the cool thing about having a garden. When you have a lot of fruit, share it. Share it around. Share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it with your neighbor. You don't want food to go bad, you know? Make sure that you share it around, share the love, and share the knowledge too. Tell people, hey, you know, after you eat your fruit, there's a little seed there. And if you really like this fruit, make sure you go ahead and you plant it so you can have more. Not only that, but we are also helping people become more sustainable. You know, once they have fruit trees at home, they don't have to go to the supermarket and pay money just to have certain types of fruits. You can have an array of fruits when you grow your own food. So this is it for this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I brought you some knowledge about peanut butter tree. And like I said, if you are in a tropical area, try it out. Let me know how it's going for you if you do try it out. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye now.